Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. The state's first air temperatures at or below 32 degrees came Sunday morning, October 6th. Kenton dropped to 27 degrees. Boise City bottomed out at 30, and Goodwell dropped to 32 degrees. For most of us, the recorded lows were in the 40s. A graph of Kenton air temperature and wind speed shows just how low the wind was near the ground. At times Sunday morning, 0. During the times the red graph of air temperature was below the blue freeze line, the wind stayed below 4 miles per hour. Kenton had clear skies at the same time, the ingredients for radiational cooling. Clouds hold the heat in, while clear skies let heat from the ground escape. Recent rains are giving planted wheat a good kickstart. Here's a photo from October 8th of rapidly growing wheat near Binger. The forest green color on a rainfall map from September 26th through October 9th shows that this field north of Binger had more than 2 inches of rain in the 2 weeks prior to this picture. Here's Gary with a look at drought improvements.
Thanks, Al, and good morning, everybody. As usual, we're going to start with a look at the drought monitor, but we're going to go a little bit different this time. We're going to look at the positives, and the biggest positive is how much we've improved over a year. So let's start out with a look back in early October 2012, see where we were at that point. As you can see from this drought monitor from that period, about 100% of the state was covered in drought, and over 80% of the state was considered to be in extreme to exceptional categories. Those are the worst 2 categories of the drought monitor. Now, we have had some pretty decent rainfall over that 1-year period. Most of that, though, has been since February. So let's take a look at the departure from normal rainfall map from the Mesonet since February 1st all the way through the end of September. And you can see much of the northern 2/3 of Oklahoma have had pretty decent rainfall, from 110 to 120% of normal, or from 6 to 8 to even more than 12 inches above normal in some areas in central Oklahoma. Now, that has made a significant difference in the latest drought monitor map compared to a year ago. You can see there are still areas with significant drought left in parts of the state, especially out in the panhandle, and super especially down in southwestern Oklahoma, those areas in Tillman and Jackson counties and the surrounding areas. So that showed up on that departure from normal rainfall map. Those are the areas that didn't get the rainfall. Now let's take a look at the bigger picture, the entire United States, the change in the categories of the drought monitor over that year from October 2nd, 2012 through October 1st, 2013. You can see great improvements over a large area of the Great Plains, including and especially the northern 2/3 of Oklahoma. So great improvements over that year, what's considered the water year, October 1st to September 30th. That's what that rainfall will do for you if it's timed just perfectly. I understand some places still need lots of that rainfall, so hopefully over the next couple of months we'll continue to get rainfall, but especially for those areas out west and down in southwest. Maybe we can improve these maps a little bit more. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.